Okay, so how long have we been here?
It's not one ticket.
We've been here
A few minutes and we've already seen basically everything.
Yeah, we've been here for like a few minutes and somebody pulled a fire alarm.
No,
Or something caught on fire. And I wanted pretty stuff. And now we have to wait.
Yeah, we went through all the parts.
Okay, I'm going. I'm not gonna get lost. Call my mom. I just saw one. Okay, and it was James making out with. That was James. James. That's my lover.
Oh, okay. So how many are you up to now?
A bajillion. 25.
Something like that. Ew. It really smells.
What?
Garbage. Definitely. 26.
Yeah, I smell that. Ooh. That one was bad.
That is ripe.
Don't bother me.
Nothing bothers you, Justin.
Just because you smell like it. Yeah.
You smell like it.
You smell like fruit and clean.
I smell like hairspray. That's what I smell like.
Right now I smell like huckleberry.
I see people dancing. Oh yeah, there are people dancing. Okay, I'm done with that. I hear the fire trucks coming. That was some extreme dancing. Yes, it was. Woo! Okay.
You need to walk into people.
Yeah, try not to walk into people. Oh, okay, it's still going off. Great.
The book's caught on fire inside.
Buzz?
The book.